In this video, you're going to find out if we fixed our RTR Spec 2. Right guys, welcome back to part 3 of the RTR build series. In part 2, you saw that we ruined our RTR Spec 2. We took it to Cadwell Park for some more testing and we realised that the tyres that we put onto this car were absolutely horrendous. They were worse than the stock P0s that came on this car. And we'd lost quite a lot of low-end acceleration because we've gone up to a 20-inch wheel. So to resolve some of these issues, we've installed one of our favourite tyres, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. So we've got brand new tyres all around. And to resolve the acceleration issue, we've put a Torsen limited slip differential into this car with a 3.73 crown and pinion. So before we take this car back to Cadwell Park for some more testing, we now need to do some 0 to 60 to see if this car is faster than the stock car. We didn't do this in part 2 because we didn't think there were any point because the car was slower than the stock car and we didn't want to waste your time or our time. So we've fixed all them issues and hopefully today it does the 0 to 60 times that we'd expect it to do. So let's hit the road and let's see what it can do. Nice.
Okay. 5.10 seconds. That's quicker than last time.
What were it before?
5.35. Fucking hell. 4.93.
It's not bad that.
It's good.
To say we've got 3/4 of a tank of fuel. Right, so we've just completed some 0 to 60s on this car and we've got into the 4 seconds. So we've just done a 4.93 second. Last time when we tested it stock, we did a 5.37, so we've shaved quite a bit of time off the 0 to 60s. One thing to note today, we've got nearly 3/4 of that fuel's gone down loads. When we did this, we had 3/4 of a tank, and in the first video we were literally running on fumes, so we've got a lot more weight today and we're still faster, so we can confirm that the Spec 2 kit is now doing what it's supposed to do. So now that we've confirmed that, we can head to Cadwell Park and then we can hopefully see what it does on the track. Already. Two and a half seconds faster, mate. 2.6 seconds.
What the So you doing then?
Fuck knows. Right, we can go home now.
Literally good, couldn't we?
Second lap in, 2.5 seconds quicker. Right, see you later.
I'm actually really buzzing about that.
Mate, it's so much easier to drive. Right guys, we've completed the first session here at Cadwell Park and the car is a completely different animal. As you saw in part 2, we're having quite a lot of problems with the tyres that we chose to put on the car. Now, as you've seen, we've put the Pilot Sport 4Ss on this car, we've stiffened the suspension up and we've put the Torsen limited slip differential in. So we've actually changed the final drive ratio from the stock 355 to a 373, which has helped the acceleration of the car quite a lot. But what we're finding is between like 6,000 and 6,500 RPM, we're getting a slight hesitation, so we're losing some power at the top end of the rev range, and we think this is because we're unable to calibrate the diff ratio for the ECU. So I think between the BCM and the ECU, I think they're complaining about a bit of a wheel speed discrepancy, but it does feel a lot better with that differential in, acceleration wise. Our top speed's slower because the gear ratios are a little bit shorter, but exit speed out of corners is a lot faster. But the thing that we've picked up on this car straight away is the handling is night and day. So we've actually run 2.6 seconds faster on our second lap in with these tyres and suspension setup, and we've been able to do continuous laps, 5-6 laps, consistently putting a similar sort of time down before the tyres started to soften up. So these tyres are a head and shoulders above the previous tyres that we had on. Like I say, it's only his first session out. It's been quite a bit of traffic, so we're going to go out, have another session and see if we can make the car even faster than what it already is. So we'll see you there. So guys, that's another track day complete. We've managed to go 3 seconds faster than a bone stock GT. We managed to find an extra 4 tenths from the first session in our second session. So 3 seconds faster than a stock car is really good going. We've managed to fix all the problems that we had in part 2, so we're really happy with how the car is performing now. So with that being said, now we can move on to the next phase of this build, where we'll be adding some extra power to this car and giving it some brake upgrades. So as always guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.